Hello, my friends. A while back, I did a video number 69, and this is the final painting. And I liked it. I wasn't crazy about the center area here, so I took a black oil paint pen by Sharpie, and I just drew around some of the cells to bring definition to them. I'm not sure that I like that either, but I like it more than I did before. So anyway, I thought I'd do a companion piece in the same colors, but this time I'm going to do a swipe. So that's my plan. So of course this is black, and this was Cerulean Blue that I added some white to lighten it up. Here's the shade straight out of the tube. So I lightened it up, and then I have Extreme Sheen in Sapphire, 24 karat gold, and antique bronze. So those are my swipe colors, and I have some extra blue and white, or black rather, if necessary. And I'm going to swipe this way because it will hang, I think. Well, I'm not sure which way it should hang, but I'm going to swipe this way. I think I like the vertical orientation of that one, so I'm just assuming this one would be hung the same way. Oh, what am I doing? Let's see. And I didn't mean to divide it so half and half. I have a little less of the blue than the black. So I'm going to put the swipe colors just on the blue side. Yeah, maybe I'll throw some there too. I don't know. I don't know. Oh gosh, that looks so pretty on the black. That 24 karat gold. This antique bronze is the one that just kind of took over. I didn't care for it that much in that other pour. So I'm only going to use that much. Maybe come back with some more blue. I'll put the ratios. I used Floetrol as my pouring medium. I'll put that all down below in the description box. Okay, I think that's enough. Just using these old business cards as my swipe tool. So let's see where to begin. Let's try this. I want it to just kind of disappear. Oh, I like that. I think my base paint was a little thick. Now I'm going to come this way. Oops. Well, let's hit it with the torch, see if anything happens. Not too much. Gosh, that is very pretty up close. I don't know if you can see it or appreciate it, but it's kind of pretty. You know, it's not coming out like I expected, but I rather like it. I want to get rid of that straight line. So I'm going to just tilt a little bit this way and see if it'll move at all. It's very slow. I'm not sure if I can live with it like this. In a way, I like it very much, but it was just too easy. I like it I do like the vertical orientation with this being the bottom down here in the black. I guess you can't see the whole canvas. It's an 8-inch by 24-inch. Oh, that blue and gold together is just beautiful with a hint of the antique bronze in there. It's starting to sell up a little bit. Very subtle. I don't like big cells in this type of thing. I was hoping to get more than this, but I'm not unhappy with it. I'm just wondering what I can do. I still see this pretty definite stripe there that I don't care for. What should I do? I could, you know, to tie the two together, I could do this liney kind of thing that I did last time. Some people didn't like that, but what the heck. I'm going to take the black and I'm going to, that could be a big mistake. Well, if I hate it, I'll swipe it. I'm going to do it. Okay. I'm going to do 3 lines, 3 skinny lines. I think I need some more. I like it though. I'm happy with that. I'm going to do 3 more, 3 or 4 more. There. I'm going to stop with the black. Yeah, I think it's got a very modern look to it. I like that. Well, it did not come out like I imagined at all, or like I planned, but when does that ever happen with fluid art, right? Let me hold them side by side and see if they can go together. Well, I can't. There's the one. And there's the new one. I like the new one much better. But we'll see how it dries. It's quite pretty right now. Let me bring you in for a closer look. I just love the way that the gold is showing up in the black there. A little bit of selling. I like the lines. And the gold up through the blue. There's the whole thing. I like it. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.